Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget I post 1, 2, or 3 videos every single day. Hit the subscribe button. Today we're talking about a couple things Gladiator-wise. We're going to dive into this. I actually found some things on a forum here that grabbed my attention, and I already seen this video, but I wasn't paying enough attention to it, so I went back and watched it when I caught on to this. We're going to dive into it for a second, but this full video about will Jeep follow, talk about the slate truck versus an affordable Jeep. It's a great video. You should watch it. It's over there, Dirt Road Cred, their channel. You can see it right down here below, Dirt Road Cred. Go check it out. I'll try to remember to link it below for you. If I remember, if I don't get mad. Just go look for it yourself. You can do it. But with that said, in his video in here, which is a fantastic video, he's got a spot here where he shows, and it's his video. I'm not playing it. I want you to watch it. But we are going to click on this point right here of it for it because there is a new dark sky appearance package coming. Okay, there's a lot of great information in this video. This isn't it. You should watch the video. But it is built from the Sport S. It includes a Mojave hood is what you're getting on here. You get a Mojave hood. And you get color-matched fender flares, so they're going to match the color everything. Gloss black painted bumper inserts on here, and dark badging, so all of the badging, Jeep logos, trail rated badge, everything's going to be all blacked out on it. And you can get the optional color-matched roof on here, and it's only $1,495. That's pretty good price, especially for the cost of what a hood is today. And you get the actual Mojave hood, which by far is the sexiest Jeep hood made today. There's no doubt about it. I love it. And it is an appearance package called the new Dark Sky Appearance Package, and you can get it on the Sport S. Now, with that said, I go over here, and we are on a Build Your 2025 Gladiator Sport S, and I do not have that package on here. Satin black grille, decal options. We do not have the luxury of this package showing yet currently on Jeep site. So it's not out here yet, but they're saying you can order it. So if you want to get something like this, you probably got to talk to your Jeep dealer when you're ordering. They probably have more information. It's not there. It's not under packages. When we go to packages, we got trailers, tow and auxiliary, tech group, active safety group, LED, fog light group, cargo, trail rail. You can see what we got here, but we do not have it anywhere. This one, well worth it right here. Max tow package, 410 gears. I showed you this. I actually did a video on this for you talking about that, but we do not have that option on here. You're already at the summary, so we don't get that luxury. Now, they also, in this same video here, which like I said was phenomenal, he mentions in here that the Nighthawk is going to be being discontinued. And he says that this might replace the Nighthawk. That may very well be true, and I trust the guys over there, Dirt Road Cred. They don't ever steer you wrong, and they got excellent video, so I believe what they're saying. However, at this point, when I still go over here and I go to models, let's change model. Yes, change model. Just do what I tell you to. There we go. And we go over here. We still got a Nighthawk right here. And for 2025, we can still build it. So it is on their site. However, the dark sky appearance package is not on the site. So both could be wrong. This might not, or I mean, it could be right. Maybe this Nighthawk is no longer available for order, and now the dark sky is. So pretty interesting concept. And again, he hints on some very great things in this video as to why the Nighthawk package was made, as well as to why why they're doing the dark sky appearance package. So it is worth watching this video. Highly recommend you actually go watch this video. And next one on here we're going to talk about right here. This one, Ford also has a new package deal for you, but this one, typical Ford fashion here. This is kind of funny. This is quite humorous. So 2025 Ford Bronco is ready to hit the beach with a new coastal package. Okay, so it's a new coastal package. However, wait till you hear some of the kicks for this. Okay, this is interesting. So, you know, if you got a package like here with Jeep, okay, if we come over here to Jeep and we have the Nighthawk, you get it. Or if we go to the, like I said, the Dark Sky package, you buy this for $1,500 and you get it from the factory. Dark Sky package. Here it is. Comes that way, all said and done. Ford not on this one. Okay, not on this one. Ford says here it's available for most four-door Bronco models. Costs $5,400 for a Ford Performance Kit. It adds 2 inches of 2-inch lift and unique styling cues. So what are you getting with this? Okay, I'm not saying the price is bad because it is a factory lift, 2-inch factory lift. That's worth some money here. Doesn't tell us any more details on the lifts right now, but it says Ford Performance adds a new beach-centric appearance package for the 2025 Bronco, along with visual changes including silver wheels. Keep that in mind. Silver fenders and a silver grille. The Coastal package also includes a 2-inch lift. So you're getting a 2-inch lift, silver wheels, and silver fenders, and a silver grill for $5,400. Realistically, you would think that that's not bad. $5,400, that's pretty good. However, there is a caveat, a kick to this. We'll get to it. The appearance package is available on 4-door versions of the Bronco base, Big Bend, Black Diamond, Outer Banks trims. Most of the changes are purely visual, with the Beach Focus package adding silver 17-inch wheels, silver fender flares, silver grille. The sides of the Bronco get a bright striping, and a soft top is bezeled on with the Bronco logo on the soft top. Since the package doesn't do anything for the Bronco's powertrain, either the 2.3 or the 2.7 is A-OK. The same is true for the transmission. Both the 10-speed and 7-speed manual are compatible. Outside of visuals, the Coastal package adds a 2-inch lift. They're not telling us anything else about the lift. We don't know if it's who's going to make the lift, if it's Fox or what it's going to be. We don't know. It says a ProCal tool is included in the kit to recalibrate the speedometer accordingly. That's kind of nice too. So this 54 is sounding pretty reasonable. Lift, wheels, grill, fenders, ProCal tool. Okay, so you're kind of grabbing my attention. Here's the best part though. Ready? Well, the Coastal package does come with 5 wheels, so you get the spare 2. Even better. Let's look at even better. It does not include any tires. Okay, so we got to buy our own tires. Kind of nice too. I'm all right with that. We supply the tires. I'm okay with that because I'm going to want my tires on it anyway. So customers will have to source the tires on their own. The package is available from Ford Performance website and carries a $5,400 price tag before any dealer installation fees. There's the kicker. One sentence at the right here. These simple 5 words right here. Before any dealer installation fees. So now we know you're not getting tires. So not only is it $5,400, you're going to have to pay $5,400 for the parts. You're only getting the parts. You're then going to have to turn around and you're going to probably spend, for 5 tires, you're going to spend $2,000 on tires. That jumps you up to $7,400. You're probably going to pay a minimum of $1,000 in installation for all this stuff to be put on there. So that now puts you at $8,400 to have this Jeep Edition, which all you're getting is a 2-inch lift, silver wheels, and silver grille and silver fenders. So they kind of killed it here with this by offering it not as a turnkey vehicle that comes this way. You buy the vehicle yourself. You get a hold of Ford Performance and you give them $5,400 and they send you a box to your dealership with some wheels, some fenders, a lift, and a grill are in it. And then you have to put the whole thing together or pay them to put it together. And I promise you, if you put it together yourself, it'll void the warranty. If you do the lift or have a separate shop do the lift, you will void your warranty through Ford. The lift is going to have to be done through Ford. So kind of interesting, kind of shady, kind of is what it is, kind of cheesy, kind of what I expect to have to deal with sometimes from Ford, but here you go. But there's so that's some kind of new Jeep and Ford info on some special edition packages for you. Questions, comments, anything you got on this or on the new Jeep Sky Dark Appearance package, or the fact that, like I said, that Nighthawk might be going away, put them down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Thanks for watching.